Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back, guys. Welcome back. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I am back to discuss how to start your digital business online with affiliate marketing, okay, in 2022. Okay, I've kind of been doing like a sequel. So the first part, and I'll put the link below, how to start your digital business online with affiliate marketing. Then the next video was how to start your digital business online with G100, which is the $100 product, okay, in this platform. Okay, that's going to teach you how to make money online, as well as give you the opportunity to earn commissions for reselling these courses. Okay, so today we're going to go into another product called the G250. Okay, so let's talk about that. All right, guys, so in the Genesis Education Library, okay, the online money generating education program, it's been around for 8 years now. Okay, if you're looking to start an online business, this is a perfect place to get started. Genesis Education modules. Okay, so in the modules you have 5 products: G100, G250, G500, G1000, and G2000. Okay, and each of those represent also the commissions that you can make. Each of those products provide digital education. Okay, so they've already created the products for you, the website for you. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to stock anything. Everything is in a digital format. Okay, so when people join from your link, your website that's coded to you, you're paid instantly and directly any way you want, and they're able to access the products that they purchased immediately. Okay, we don't have to wait on a website to be created or any of that. Everything is instant. Okay, so the sequel, because we've already covered the G100, now we're going to go into the G250 right here. And with this program, this means you can make $250 over and over and over. 250 is nothing to sneeze at. Okay, so it's a sweet spot. Okay, so this particular program, this product, the G250, has 10 different courses and a wealth of information. Okay, very powerful product package, as it states right here. By implementing the information contained in these courses, you will develop some great skills and have the knowledge needed to take your income to the next level. So let's go over these products. Okay, all right, so first we have List Building Profit Kit, Evergreen Lead Business, Modern Email Marketing, Power of Execution, Webinar Jackpot, Video Series, Social Media Income, The Warrior Mindset, $1 Million Copy, Overcome Excuses, and Internet Business Modules. Get this library and be able to sell the resale rights for $250. When you purchase this product, you also, as it states right here, it includes everything in the G100. So now you have 2 income streams. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is go into the back office of the dashboard and show you these actual products, and you can download these to your computer as well. Okay, you can download them as an option if you want. You have that choice to do that. That's what I like about the digital products. They're yours. You've purchased them. Okay, so let's go take a look at that. Okay, as you can see right here, my products. So as I stated, I purchased the G1000, so I have all these products. So I have the 4 levels. Okay, so let's take a look at the 250. Okay, so G250. All right, and you can see right up here, it tells you G1000. I'm already qualified. I've already passed up my G1000 sale. Okay, so G250, here they are, and you see right here the little red buttons, so you can download these. Okay, they're yours. Now, so let's take a look at the G250. So we have the List Building Profit Kit. So you click right here and you can see description. You can see everything. Look at all the topics that's going to be covered. It even tells you right here what you will learn. You get all this, guys. Okay? So you get a plethora of training. Now, mind you, I don't want you to get overwhelmed. Okay? So we're not going to try to learn all this in one day or 1 week or 1 month. All we want to do is pick one strategy, market that consistently until we see some results, okay? And we'll have that discussion when we have our one-on-one, when you contact me once you sign up. Okay, so now we have our evergreen lead business. Let's take a look at that one. No holds barred guide. Okay, this is pretty cool. Here's what you will learn, and they tell you all that right here. So just for $250, you get all that. And remember, you get all the G100 training as well, okay? Next up, modern email marketing. Here's what you will discover inside. You see all this training that you get? It's a lot. It's a lot of good stuff, okay? But just don't get overwhelmed. So let's go to the next one. Power of execution. You will learn, and right here it tells you, you will, and it tells you what you will overcome. You have the vision, etc. So a lot of good training here. Productivity guide on how to tackle your goals effectively so that you can live the life of your dreams. Okay? Next one up. Webinar Jackpot. Okay, check this one out. Tells you here what topics are going to be covered. Email swipe. Very important. Email course formula. This is good stuff. Setting up your follow-up series with Get Response. So some good stuff in here. Okay. Social media income. How to build your brand, grow your business, get more leads, and get more sales on social media platforms. Okay, we talk about that a lot. The warrior mindset. Okay. Look at all this. This is what you will learn. It gives you the breakdown. Overcome excuses. Time management is key for everyone. I agree wholeheartedly, but especially for entrepreneurs who are their own bosses. Okay, so this is good information. Overcome excuses. $1 million copy. Lead generation strategies. Very good. Killer copy blueprint. Okay, so some great stuff here. And the last one is internet business models. Have you ever asked yourself, what are some of the easiest, low-cost, highly profitable online businesses that you can do? Okay, so those are the courses, if you will, in the G250 Genesis product. Okay, and as it states right here, this is the second entry-level package. You get 9 video courses. So remember, you get the 250. If you purchase the 250, you automatically get the 100. Okay, so 2 levels of income. You can make $100 commissions and $250 commissions instantly, any way you want. Let's take a look at what the admin is if you decide to do the 250. I think it's $99, but let's double check. Okay, yes, see right here, 250. So if you sign up with the G250, it's $99 plus the 250, okay, to get started. Okay. Okay, and all memberships, guys. Okay, all memberships will include the lead capture pages. It's all in one business in a box. Okay, you get the capture pages, a bridge page, built-in autoresponder, weekly webinars, CRM. You get your statistics where you can go in your dashboard and kind of see what people are clicking on. Tracking codes. You can link Aweber or Get Response to this if you so choose to do that. Custom high-tech dashboard, which I was just showing you mine, so that you can see the products that I purchased. And of course, you have support. So if you ever need to open a ticket, you just shoot a message, open a ticket through the back office to support, and they will answer whatever your question is or whatever the issue is you need to resolve. So perfect platform for learning and earning and getting started with setting up your digital business. Okay, I highly recommend this program. It's been around for 8 years. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, earn the $250 commissions or even higher so choose to do that, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay, I look forward to working with you guys in this program. I think it's a great way to start the digital business because, again, you don't have to create anything. It's already here for you. Business in a box, ready to go. Okay, if you join at that $500 level or the $1,000 level, I'm going to have a text message blast that I'm going to do for you guys. Let me just tell you, the $500 level, if you join there, I will send a 5,000 text blast on your behalf. If you join at the $1,000 level, I'll send a 10,000 text message blast. Okay, so you're going to use your capture pages. Let me show you those. Okay, let me show you the capture pages that you can select from. Okay, here's the capture pages. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what's that, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pages, unless I've missed one. So you have a variety of capture pages to select from. You're going to email me one of those links once you sign up with me, okay, at the $500 or the $1,000 level. And that's how I will be able to get the text blast sent over. So you decide which page you want. But once you join, I'm going to send you an email, a welcome email from me personally, so that we can have a conversation. But you will also get an email from the company with your login. So as soon as you make your payment, check your email. You're going to have an email from the company with your login information, and you'll be able to log into your back office and instantly get set up. All I will have to do on my end from my smartphone is mark you paid. Once I do that, your access will be granted. Okay, so with that being said, go check this out at www.getpaidfromhome.info. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.